Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Jayant, Nagraju, Hema, Koteshwari, Meghna, Geeta, Meow Meow, Atmika, Siddhu, Chaitanya, Srikant, Ammu, Sikha, Janvi, Vishnu, Nirmala, Srinivas, Laliteshwari, Gokul. Good morning, everyone. Mahesh, Prashanti, Satya, Kamakshi, Dinesh, Navya, Charan, Akshaya, Lakshmi. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, everyone. So, today it's Thursday. Second class for today, chemistry. Basics going on. Hope you have understood the previous lectures. In previous lectures, I think we have talked about saturated, unsaturated hydrocarbon. What is hydrocarbon, alkane, alkene, alkyne formula, and some structures. We have studied bond line structure, how to identify double bond, triple bond, sigma, pi, how many carbon atom. Bond line structure was important because in bond line structure, many atoms are not shown. Many atoms are not shown. Although functional group they are showing. And we have also written list of functional group in the last class. Have you seen that functional group? Continuation of, see, one thing I will tell you, like class 9th, many things we have studied in class 9th. Class 9th is like class 11 and class 10th is like class 12. So now you get some idea. Many new things you studied in class 9th. Similarly, many new things you will study in class 11 also. Class 9 was a bit difficult. Class 11 is also a bit difficult. But class 10th, you are very happy. You are waiting for your results also. One person saying, CBSE results coming on 7th May. Generally, it does not come on 7th May, I think. Second half of May it comes. No. Tomorrow only result. Chalo, no problem. But 10th is good. 10th is very good and you are happy with class 10th performance. Similarly, you will be happy with your class 12th performance. So 12 and 10 same. Easy. 9th and 11th, new. A bit difficult. Okay, so we have to be more focused on class 11. If your class 11 is very good, then guarantee NEET qualified. Clear concept. If your class 11 is very good, means guarantee you will qualify NEET. No. CBSE results are always very good. If you write, means you will pass in CBSE. If you have written nicely, means you will easily get 80-90%. Okay, so don't worry. And one more thing, class 11, 12th syllabus is totally different from what you have studied in class 10th. Class 10th, you are studying very less. Thin books. Chemistry, one book. No. Now in chemistry only, I think chemistry only you will have 4 books. Physical chemistry 2 and organic inorganic 2. So there will be a sudden jump in the syllabus also. That's why many people are not able to cope up. Take na care, sir, so much things are there. But if you follow, mind my words, if you follow what teacher is saying, blindly follow it. Don't use your brains. I think he is saying wrong. I think he is just saying time pass. No. What teacher is saying, if you will follow it, everything will be good. And I'm saying you again, if class 11 is good, means NEET clear. No problem in NEET. If class 11 is bad, then you will struggle slightly in class 12. No guarantee. You can qualify also, you cannot qualify also. Class 11 and 12, both are bad. then we will wait for long term. Okay, so this is the logic. Let's see who is able to qualify at what time. Okay, you can talk to your seniors. I will suggest every year. I suggest if you are coming in class 12 now, you should talk to class. If you are coming in class 11, you should talk to class 12 students and ask them what mistakes I should not repeat. They will tell you very nicely, because you don't believe the teacher, na, you believe your seniors at least. So ask your immediate seniors 1 year up. Whatever they say, follow it. That is also good. So let's start. Is NCERT required for chemistry? Yes, NCERT is only required. Don't go beyond NCERT. Whatever is in NCERT, that only we require. And those who are taking tension of CBSE results, don't worry, results will be good only. If you are thinking 70, you will get 80. If you are thinking 80, you will get 86. If you are thinking 86, you will get 90. If you are thinking 90, you will get 94. Whatever you will think, you will get more than that. Clear? Let's start. Okay. Chalo. So in the last class, I think we have seen the teaser part, na? Teaser of what? Degree. Degree of carbon. We will also study after this degree of hydrogen. See, first you tell me few points. Like how many bonds a carbon atom can make? You will say, sir, maximum 4 bonds. How many bonds hydrogen atom can make? You will say, sir, only 1. Always only 1. So carbon has options. 1 bond, 2 bond, 3 bond, 4 bond. But hydrogen does not have. So the definitions are different. Like if you want to say degree of carbon, batao what I told you in the last class, something I told you at last, I think. Now we did one question also. See, very, very easy things. Only we have to understand nicely. Hydrogen bond nahi bolega. Hydrogen bond is different thing, Ramesh. Dinesh. Ramesh, Dinesh. 1, 2 more rhyming. No. Kirti, Jayant. Chalo, aa. So we said definition like this. Ki degree is number of carbon atom connected to one carbon. ठीक है ना? It is number of carbon atom. Acha, we have seen all the functional groups. We have seen all the functional group. It is number of carbon atom connected to a given carbon. Okay, means you have to just count number of carbon atom. If 1 carbon connected, 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree, 4 degree. Primary, 1 degree is also known as primary, 2 degree is known as secondary, 3 degree is known as tertiary, 4 degree is known as quaternary. Is it okay? Okay. Then we can take some examples. See, can you define degree of different carbon in this compound? 5 degree nahi re bhai. If you will say 5 degree, that means what? Carbon should be connected to 5 carbon atoms. Batao, can carbon be connected to 5 carbon atoms? Can carbon form 5 bonds? No, na? So it is maximum 4 degree. Okay? So I am asking you, you will tell. Batao, what is the degree of this carbon? Jaldi, quickly you have to write. What is the degree of this carbon? This is connected to only 1 carbon, so 1 degree. This also 1 degree. This also 1 degree. This also 1 degree. Dekho, is 1 degree clear to everyone? बोलो, is 1 degree clear to everyone? Okay, okay, chalo. What about this carbon, middle one? It is connected to how many carbon? You will say, sir, 4 carbon. So 4 carbon means what? 4 degree, quaternary, 4 degree. And what about this one? But this one everyone tell, 2 degree. Is it okay? Is it okay? Secondary. Done. So I will tell you also which question comes in mains and NEET. Very easy question based on degree came in mains paper, I think. ठीक ना? Similar questions can come in NEET paper also. Both are equivalent type. आ जाओ, degree of hydrogen. Let's discuss about degree of hydrogen also. Now here you don't say like this. Use your common sense. Common sense is very rare, but use it if you have something. ठीक है ना? You cannot say like this कि degree of hydrogen is how many carbon atom connected to it. We have already said hydrogen can form how many bonds? Only one. Then how you are saying कि how many carbon atom connected? Every time one carbon will be connected only. बोलो yes or no? Every time one carbon will be connected only because hydrogen forms one bond only. Then every time you will say 1 degree hydrogen, 1 degree hydrogen. There will be never 2 degree, 3 degree hydrogen. ठीक है? So don't say it like this कि degree of hydrogen is how many carbon connected. No. Here 2 types of definitions are there. One definition is how many carbon connected. And the other definition is कि degree of hydrogen is equal to degree of carbon to which it is connected. Like suppose if you have this compound, and degree can be only, degree of hydrogen can be only 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree. So for degree of hydrogen, you don't have to see hydrogen. You see the carbon to which it is connected. You have to see the carbon to which it is connected. ठीक है? Like see, if I talk about this hydrogen, this is connected to which carbon? 1 degree carbon. First you mark the degree of carbon, 1 degree, 2 degree, 1 degree, 1 degree, 3 degree. हो गया? देख लो चुरू. Is it clear with the degree? So this is 1 degree carbon, hydrogen here, these are 1 degree hydrogen. So degree of hydrogen is decided by carbon to which it is connected. So can you tell me how many 1 degree hydrogen are there? Can you tell me how many 1 degree hydrogen atoms are there? बताओ. Total Varshika, Neha, Charan, total Hatmika, Jayanti, not Jayant. Total. So you will say, sir, 3 here, 3 here, 3 here. So 9. Got the point why I am saying total? So this hydrogen, 1 degree hydrogen. This hydrogen also 1 degree, na? This hydrogen also 1 degree. So 9. Is it okay? Done? Okay. Now 2 degree hydrogen. 2 degree hydrogen, then you have to search for 2 degree carbon. Where we have 2 degree carbon, batao? This is 2 degree carbon. Only 1 carbon is there. So how many 2-degree hydrogen? How many 2-degree hydrogen? Tell. Only 2. ठीक है. Then we will talk about 3-degree hydrogen. बताओ how many 3-degree hydrogen? 3-degree carbon 1. So 3-degree hydrogen 1. Is it okay? Then come to the next part. Are you having 4-degree hydrogen? Can you have 4-degree hydrogen? बताओ. Can you have 4-degree hydrogen? No, because for 4-degree hydrogen you require 4-degree carbon. 4-degree carbon means already connected to 4 carbon atoms. There is no place for hydrogen. So 4-degree hydrogen never exists. There is no concept of 4-degree hydrogen. So is it okay? So easy definition only. Degree of carbon means what? It can form many bond, 4 bonds. So you will say ki how many carbon connected. But degree of hydrogen, you will say here degree of hydrogen is equal to the carbon. No new definition. Equal to the carbon. Is it okay? Chalo. So now this was the easy question. They can ask you similar question in bond line form and then you will face problem. Batao. Here you have to tell me 1-degree carbon, how many, 2-degree carbon, how many, 3-degree carbon, how many, 4-degree carbon, how many. And then you have to also tell me 1-degree hydrogen, 2-degree hydrogen, 3-degree hydrogen and 4-degree hydrogen. 4-degree तो होता ही नहीं है, तो leave it. So you have to tell me these things. And jaldi jaldi. तुम्हारे का चेपंडे. One degree how many? बताओ. One degree how many? One degree. 1 degree. This is 1 degree. This is 1 degree. This is 1 degree. Terminal CS3, CS3, CS3. So 3 are there. Is it okay? Two degree, tell about 2-degree carbon ones. Tell about 2-degree carbon. Bolo, let's see. 2-degree carbon, how many? 2-degree carbon means what? Carbon connected to 2 other carbon atom. देखो. So see this carbon is connected to how many carbon? 2 carbon. It is connected by double bond. Leave it. You have to just see how many carbon connected. You have to just see how many carbon connected. So this is connected by 2 carbon, 2 degree. This is also connected with 2 carbon, 2 degree. So how many 2-degree carbon? 2. Padmalata, what you are saying once again? We are simply saying like this ki you have to just count. 1 carbon is connected to how many carbon? Like this carbon. देखो इधर, देखो. See here. This carbon connected to how many carbon? 1 carbon, 2 carbon. Bond line structure we have studied before only. This carbon connected to how many carbon? 1 carbon, 2 carbon. Is it okay? So 2 degree. So 2 degree 2 carbon. 3 degree batao, 3 degree how many? Bolo bolo. Write your doubts. 3 degree carbon only one. You will say, sir, this one only na. Connected to 3 carbon, 1 carbon, 2 carbon, 3 carbon. So 3 degree. 3 degree only one. Rohit, Cherry, Janvi, Naveshri, Lucky. Clear? Okay. अब आ जाओ. Tell me about degree of hydrogen. Degree of hydrogen. Tell me about degree of hydrogen. 1 degree hydrogen. This means what? You will search for 1 degree carbon. Where 1 degree carbon are there? Here, here, here. 1 degree, 1 degree, 1 degree. 1 degree, 1 degree, 1 degree. This is CS3. This is CS3, means 3 hydrogen. This is also CS3, means 3 hydrogen. This is also CS3, means 3 hydrogen. So 9. Done? Offline class will start. On that day they asked you na different dates. What you have responded? They took your opinion on that day. नहीं बताओ. So you said what? 8th you said. Chalo, we will see. जुलाई नहीं रे भाई, जून ना. चलो आ जाओ. 2 degree hydrogen. Everyone tell this. If you are able to tell this one, means you have understood. Be careful and tell. Be careful. I told you, be careful. Be careful and then tell. Now see, many people writing 444 answer. How they are writing 444 answer? Because they are thinking कि 2 degree carbon means CH2. 2 carbon and 2 hydrogen. Arey, this is connected by double bond. So you don't have 2 hydrogen here. Already 3 bonds aipoindi. 3 bonds done. Only 1 left. So this is CH group, not CH2 group. This is CH group, not CH2 group. So that's why here 1, 2. Got the point? Chalo, ab batao 3 degree hydrogen how many? Last. And then we will write the question which comes in the paper. Only 1. Very good. So now a PYQ. So this is the PYQ. Which of the following has 2 secondary hydrogen? Two secondary hydrogen. So ये रहा first question. This is the second one. This is the third one, and this is the fourth one. Chalo, out of 4 options you have to tell now. Do we require the 4th or 5th option also? 5th option is none of these. या फिर 5th option चलो I am making one, इसी को कर देते हैं 5th. लो हो गया, done. Now tell. We have modified. Question done. Now again you have to go. Be careful. Don't become fool. Be careful. Check. Many people did mistake in this. Easy question only. Everyone knows the concept. But then also, in place of becoming careful, they become fool. Bolo, what is the answer? Many people ticked 2. Many people ticked 2. Sir, 2 degree carbon, 2 degree carbon. Arey bhaiya, 2 degree carbon are there, 2 are there. So how many 2 degree hydrogen you have? How many 2 degree hydrogen you have? How many 2 degree hydrogen you have? In the second option, tell me how many 2 degree hydrogen you have. In second one, how many 2 degree hydrogen you have? 4. 4 2 degree hydrogen. But question asking what? You should have 2 secondary hydrogen, not 4. Now tell what is the answer. Now you will know, acha, this mistake I have done. Arey, now you got -5. So what is the correct answer now? Fourth one. Correct? Fourth one, this one 2 degree. So only 2 hydrogens are there. Is it clear? So can you see how we do mistakes? And like this only we lose marks. So we have to be careful from beginning only. Like I have told you where we can do mistakes. So you can keep this in mind. Acha, here we can do mistake. Okay, let's star mark this question. And while revision, we will again revise this question. So like this you have to do from beginning only. Many people come to ask at last, so what we should do now? What to do in this short period of time? Revise those things which you have already marked. Ho gaya? Aaja next. So let's talk about this one. This diagram you have to talk now. You have to tell 1 degree carbon, 2 degree carbon, 3 degree carbon. Then I will ask you hydrogen. What explained? Neha. Bolo. So 1 degree how many? Let's start from beginning. 1 degree how many? Why fourth one is correct? Fourth one having, see how many 2 degree carbon are there? Only 1 carbon. How many hydrogen are there? 2 hydrogen. Question asking 2 secondary hydrogen. This is having 2 secondary hydrogen. This option to having 4 secondary hydrogen. We require only 2 secondary hydrogen. So 2 secondary hydrogen are here. Is it okay now? Chalo. 1 degree carbon. 1 degree carbon how many? You will say first to write how many carbon are there. Many people are not able to tell the molecular formula only. Can you tell me how many carbon are here in this molecule? How many carbon are there in this molecule? How many carbon are there in this molecule? Bolo. So you will say 1 carbon here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 carbon are there, so C6. 6 carbon are there, so C6. And then hydrogen also you can count. Molecular formula we will know. Hydrogen how many? 1 hydrogen, 3 hydrogen here. Here. Idhar dekho. Here how many hydrogen? 0, 0, 2, 1, 2. Clear? So these are the number of hydrogen. So let's talk now. So what is the degree? So this is 1 degree, this is 2 degree, this is 2 degree, this is 2 degree, this is 2 degree, this is 1 degree. Is it correct? 1 degree 2, 2 degree 4, 3 degree सुनना. देखो देखो देखो, are you able to understand this? See this. See this. बोलो. What you could not understood, Atmika? Degree, this carbon connected to how many carbon? You don't have to see the bonds. It is connected by single bond, double bond, or triple bond. You have to just see how many carbon connected. ठीक है? This is connected to 2 carbon. One this side, one this side. 2 carbon, 2 degree. ठीक है? This one connected to 2 carbon, this side and this side, 2 degree. This one connected to 2 carbon, this side and this side, 2 degree. This one also connected to 2 carbon. Don't see sigma and pi bond. How many bonds? How many carbon connected? How many carbon connected? Is it okay? Arre, don't worry about the results when it will come. When it will come, it will come. Can you do anything? Can you change your results? No. Then why you are taking tension? Someday result will come, your friend will inform you, कि you got this much marks, that's it. हो गया? तो बताओ फिर. तो फिर तुम बताओ 1 degree hydrogen how many? 2 degree hydrogen how many? चलो, let's start with 1 degree hydrogen. Tell me how many 1 degree hydrogen? जल्दी जल्दी जल्दी. How many 1 degree hydrogen? Be careful. How many 1 degree hydrogen? Rohit 6, no. Everyone should write 5. Sir, you will say, sir, 3 you have already 10. 3 here, 2 here. So 3 plus 2, 5. How many 2 degree? How many 2 degree? You will say 2 degree. Here to no hydrogen. No hydrogen. Here 2 hydrogen. Here 1 hydrogen. 2 plus 1, 3. I think 3 is the answer. 2 places, so we don't have hydrogen only. Is it okay? Done. That's it. Like this only they can ask you like this. You know alkyl halide? You know alkyl halide? Alkyl halide is what? One alkyl group connected with halogen. One alkyl group connected with halogen. So they will ask you like this. They will put one chlorine here and they will ask, tell me the degree of alkyl halide. Tell me the degree of alkyl halide. How you will tell degree of alkyl halide? Acha, before this, let's do one more question. Do you know benzene? Benzene, everyone knowing na? What is the degree of all the carbon in benzene? Bolo, bolo. Bolo. What is the degree of all the carbon in benzene? Tell. What is the degree? 2. So all carbon are 2 degree. All carbon are 2 degree. So can you tell me 2 degree hydrogen how many? Bolo. Can you tell me how many 2 degree hydrogen? How many 2 degree hydrogen? So everywhere we know, and this is very important. People forget to tell the hydrogen. Sir, hydrogen is not visible. Sir, where is hydrogen? Hydrogen not visible. See. Array, this is bond line. We have already told you. Carbon should have 4 bonds. 3 bonds visible. Where is the fourth one? Fourth is hydrogen. So everywhere 1 hydrogen. We have told you this. So 6. Okay. So let's come to the next part. So next part we were talking about degree of alkyl halide. Very easy. This is also same thing. Just focus on the carbon. This halogen connected to which carbon? Bolo. This halogen connected to which carbon? This halogen connected to which carbon? Two degree carbon. So this is secondary alkyl halide. 2 degree alkyl halide. Or you can say secondary alkyl halide. Understood? So you have to see the carbon where it is connected. Like this one is connected to which carbon? Batao. This one, tell the degree. इधर इकड़ा 3 degree ना 3 degree carbon means 3 degree alkyl halide. This one what? Primary alkyl halide. This one what? Primary alkyl halide. This one what? Primary alkyl halide. Primary alkyl halide. Clear? Whatever doubt you are having, write it. So easy only. So you can say this to like hydrogen only. Hey. Because see, generally halogen also form 1 bond only. So you cannot say like this ki halogen connected to how many carbon? No. Similarly, we can study degree of alcohol. Again you will say like this only. Degree of alcohol means what? Alcohol means which group? OH group. Alcohol means which group? OH group. So see, already oxygen is connected to 1 hydrogen. So only 1 bond left. So only one bond left. Nah, we started the class late na. Before this bio was going on. So we'll study something. Degree part we will study something. So see, alcohol also only 1 bond left. So you can think like this. Wherever only 1 bond is there, na, means only 1 bond possibility. Like what? Hydrogen, only 1 bond. Halogen, only 1 bond. Alcohol, only 1 bond left. Their degree is just equal to carbon. So degree of alcohol is equal to degree of carbon where OH is connected. where OH is connected. Like again, same example I will give you. In place of Cl, I will just write OH. In the place of Cl, I will just write OH. देख लो how easy things are there. All the questions similar. Just I have changed, in place of halogen, I have put OH. Then can you tell me what is this? First one, primary alcohol, secondary alcohol or tertiary alcohol? First one, primary, secondary, tertiary alcohol. So this is 2-degree alcohol. This is 2-degree alcohol, secondary alcohol. This is 3-degree alcohol, tertiary alcohol. This is primary alcohol. Is it clear? Bolo. Is it clear? Done. Alcohol also done. So we have studied degree of carbon, degree of hydrogen, degree of alkyl halide, degree of alcohol. Can you just remind me now how you will decide degree of carbon? Jaldi jaldi likho. Everyone write in the comment section whatever you feel, how you will decide degree of carbon. Jaldi batao. How you will decide degree of carbon? Twarga raindi. How you will decide degree of carbon? बताओ. Varshika writing number of carbon connected. ए जोलो संडे इवनिंग, संडे इवनिंग नीट एग्जाम. Number of carbon connected, number of carbon connected, number of carbon connected, number of carbon connected. How many carbon connected? Very good. Nakshatra. Shrikant. ठीक है? Done. How you will decide degree of hydrogen? We have said now, if you want to get qualified, follow teachers, what they are saying. If they are asking something, try to reply. Will you say number of carbon connected or you will say equal to carbon? Chalo, I'm giving you hint. Degree of hydrogen, what you will say? Number of carbon connected or equal to hydrogen? Achha, those students who have missed the previous lecture, they are coming now, they don't know what is bond line. Today is their first lecture, then they should first watch the previous videos. देखो, number of carbon connected to hydrogen नहीं रे भाई, equal to carbon, equal to carbon. Hydrogen will be connected to the only one carbon, na? So degree of hydrogen is equal to degree of carbon. Equal to connected carbon, you can say. Equal to connected carbon. Is it okay? Alkyl halide also same. Alcohol also same. So we are going to the last part. Amines. Degree of amine. Degree of amine. Now everyone remember the functional group amine? Batao. Amine याद है? Do you remember functional group amine? We started late. 45 minutes lecture done only. NH2 na? So in amine also there can be primary amine, secondary amine, tertiary amine. 1 degree amine, 2 degree amine, 3 degree amine. There can be like this. तो बताओ. Generally nitrogen form how many bonds? Tell. Generally nitrogen forms how many bond? Generally, nitrogen forms how many bond? So 3, you will say 3, more than 1. So 3. So now we have possibility na ki nitrogen can be connected to 1 carbon, nitrogen can be connected to 2 carbon, nitrogen can be connected to 3 carbon, nitrogen can be connected to 4 carbon. So degree of amine is equal to number of carbon atoms connected to nitrogen. Number of carbon atoms connected to nitrogen means if I write like this NH2, if I write like this NH, and if I write like this, are you getting? These are bond line structures. These are what? Bond line structures. This is the last for today. Are you getting? Batao here. What you can say? This is primary, secondary or tertiary amine? First one. What you can say? First one is primary, secondary or tertiary amine? First one. First one. Primary. Why you are saying primary, bhai? Tell me why you are saying primary. Why this is primary? Bolo, bolo, bolo. Why this is primary? Why this is primary? Because you will say, sir, now only you told nitrogen connected to 1 carbon. 1 carbon means what? Primary amine, 1 degree amine. Here nitrogen connected to 2 carbon. 1 carbon this side, 1 carbon that side. 2 degree amine. Sir, here the nitrogen connected to 3 carbon, 3 degree amine. Acha, you know, whenever nitrogen form bonds, 3 bond and 1 lone pair is there. Now you will say, sir, what is lone pair? Chalo, I will come to that point, don't worry. So now the last part, if I write like this. So this is tertiary amine and this is 4 degree amine, means quaternary. So we will continue this in next class also. Degree of amine. Degree of amine we will continue in the next class. You just see these 4 examples on the board. Dekho. Are you able to get here nitrogen connected to 4 carbon? 4 carbon, positive charge there. This is lone pair. What is lone pair? I will tell you in next class. Generally, nitrogen has 3 bonds and 1 lone pair. What is lone pair? We will see in the next class. Is it okay? Nah. So enough, we have studied mainly degree part today. In next class, we can see hybridization. We will see something about degree of amine and then we will go to hybridization. In the meantime, do you remember the functional groups? बताओ थोड़ा सा भी याद है? Do you remember the functional groups? अरे something तो I told you ना कि daily C 2 groups 3 groups. You can ask your friends. Kare, do you know what is ester group? He will say no. ठीक है? So now take the QR code. You can share with your friends. Wasting so much time is not good. 1, 2, 3 hours you can take out and you can just take a look on the future, which you have to study after few days. Few days? 1 month is there at least, no? Anyhow, class 11 will start after 1 month. So 1 month you have 30 days around to do time pass. So you should study also something, no? ओके 6 मिनट एक्स्ट्रा नो बा देखो तो you just check how much time we have studied. This video is live from how much time? Can you see it? Started how many minutes ago? What they are writing? Huh? We started from 9, 14, 15. See, they are writing 50 minutes ago, 49. So we have studied only 50 minutes. And we are studying very slowly. ठीक है? So chill now. Enough for today. Enjoy the weather. I think it is raining everywhere. No. Mahidhar. No. Many places it is raining now. At night. चलो ठीक है थैंक्स एवरीवन बाय बाय एंजॉय नेक्स्ट क्लास विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 10:30 आई थिंक ना चलो बाय